So you came in to see Dr. Susan White because you'd been suffering with neuropathy now for over a decade. You really couldn't feel your feet, your balance was off, cold all the time. The other big thing was that constant burning pain. So can you share with everybody how you feel now?
Well, 10 years had evolved to the point I'd basically given up, even hoping to do something. When I came in to see Dr. White, I didn't expect a whole lot. I was looking more for confirmation of my lack of everything due to my neuropathy. And I was at a low 90s.
As far as progression,
As far as progression, which basically just confirmed everything that I pretty much knew. When I was offered a pain management program, I was leery, only because that's just me. 3 days into the pain management program, I didn't take my pain meds. Now 2 weeks later, I've not taken any pain meds, and we're not talking the Lyricas and the we'll call it lighter prescription meds. I'm taking some pretty serious pain med for my neuropathy because of the severe pain. And as we speak, I'm not only pain-free but med-free, and looking to go the distance, as it were. So my gait has improved. My wife even noticed that I no longer shuffle my feet to go from point A to point B for fear of walking out of my shoes and not realizing it. And when I get in bed, my feet are no longer cold, my ankles, my shins, to where the electric blanket is no longer an issue. My wife says, "Do you have the blanket on again?" And I, no, don't have to worry about that. But
so you've been off your pain meds now too, and you don't need them to sleep anymore?
Exactly. I fall asleep. I sleep through the night.
And your burning pain, that was constant every day, right?
It was every day. It was, my pain medication, I had a prescribed number of times a day, not to exceed usage. And to be honest with you, just prior to coming to the Dr. White's office, I was cheating. I was taking more pain pills a day than I was prescribed, leaving me short at the end of the month, but you know the rest of the problems.
And how long has it been since you took your pain meds?
It's been just short of 2 weeks.
And the burning pain gone?
Burning pain's gone. The cold, stiff feeling is gone. My shins don't hurt to the touch anymore. The toenails that were blackish / grayish due to circulation, I'm guessing, they were clear within a week of the pain management.
Would you recommend this therapy to other patients?
I would definitely recommend the therapy. Like anything, no guarantee. So I'm looking to be the poster child here personally of the pain management program.
Thank you
with
so much.
Dr. White.
Okay.